How to order at AliExpress. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are thinking to buy from the AliExpress but do not know the process, here is the tutorial. So first of all, make sure to download the latest version of AliExpress and then tap open it and log in. Once you are in your home page, you can now scroll down and find the products that you want to buy. Additionally, you could just tap on the search bar which is on the top and then search for the products that you want. Or you could just scroll down to find the products that you like. Once you have found the product that you want to buy, type or tap on the buy button. Once you do it, it will land you to the specific product page from where you can see all the details regarding the product as well as the video. Now tap on add to cart, which will now take you to the main store. Now you have to choose from the different products, and then if you have finally found it, tap on add to cart and the item is easily added to the cart. Now you can go back, and if you want to buy multiple products, just tap on the one that you want and then click on add to cart. This will also provide you with the additional details from where you can select the color as well as the specifications and then click on add to cart. Just beside it, you will see a cart like option. Tap on it. If the product is not currently on store, you will see the option of unavailable items as well. You can now continue to check out by pressing in the checkout button, which is on the bottom right. Next way is the order confirmation, which includes shipping address, payment method, and you can now see the summary of your total. If you have a promo code, there is a section whereby you can enter your promo code and apply it as well. Then tap on continue or place order and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.